Good morning. I woke up in my new place and I'm so excited. It was such a long day yesterday. I mean, started early at like 6 a.m. and honestly did not finish until 6 p.m. I mean, I got home and knowing how I am, I set my mind to something. I'm like, I need to finish at least the living room and like the kitchen. My room is kind of a mess. There's boxes everywhere. I was like, I need to unbox. It's almost like traveling. I like to unpack as soon as I get home because my mind just goes on overload and I just get stressed out seeing everything all over the place. So I finished that. I have my storage already filled up and nicely organized, as well as my closet's not done at all. I slept really well. The weather is amazing. It's a little overcast, but it's supposed to get sunny later today. It is in the low 60s and I was coming from 100-degree weather. I'm serious. I mean, it was 100 degrees yesterday at 9 in the morning as we were packing stuff up or putting it in the U-Haul. We were sweating. So coming here to this fresh weather is so great. However, when I sat down yesterday at like 6-ish, I just sat down on the couch and like took it all in as I was eating because I was starving. And I started feeling all these emotions like, oh shit, I have to get acquainted with this new area because I'm so used to my home gym. I'm so used to like the grocery store, little things like that I'm like, oh wow, I have to readjust and my brain has to synchronize to this new environment. But I still know that I made the right decision. You know what I mean? It was just a lot of feelings and also being like, oh shit, I'm not as close to my family anymore in proximity. But other than that, I feel great. But yeah, it was nice. My brother and Alexa stopped by yesterday with sushi and some wine, a little warming gift, and it was really nice having them over. And I actually have a lot to do today. I have to get some groceries, finish some work actually, and I think my friend's stopping by later today, but I'm not sure. Drinking some cafe. Although I slept very well, I slept 7.5 hours. I was knocked out, but I'm still a little tired. I think it's normal. I think when you're moving, it takes a little minute to feel like you're rested because last week was pretty hectic, to say the least. Now that it's like settling down, I feel like, you know, a little tired, but we're good. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna go running right now.
It tastes delicious.
I think it's four field, yeah.
But that was when I ruled the world.
I finally found a gym that I am pretty content with. It's been nice to work out. This is like my third day in a row now. I actually feel really sore because I took a week off. Yeah, it's nice to get my body moving, and it was kind of hard to find a gym because, I mean, there's so many here, but all of them are so expensive. So I settled for one that is a good price, and honestly, it has what I need. So I'm not just on bougie, but I'm coming from a like private gym, which wasn't actually like, I was paying very little for a private gym back at my hometown. Obviously, it's way more expensive here, but I'm happy with it. So I'm just gonna go to the gym right now. I'm really tired, to be honest, but it's okay. I feel like I know this vlog, the whole time I'm saying I'm tired, but I've been sleeping so late. Like, I'm usually an 11 p.m. type of guy, you know, but I've been sleeping around 1:30 to 2 for like 3 days, and it's starting to catch up. But I'm gonna kill this workout. It's leg day. And yeah, I love this camera, by the way. Have you guys noticed the difference in quality? But yeah, I'm settling in. Today's like day 6 in my new place, so it should be cool. Also, let's do a little affirmation for the day. Before I go into the gym, let's just do it together. I am confident. I am capable. Good things are coming my way. Life is happening for me, not to me.
You can go look at all the boats and stuff.
Just get a little coffee walk.
Yeah, perfect little coffee, chill, read a book.
Yeah, and then there's a little harbor there.
GG. This is so cool. It really is. This is forever. I wonder if I can show
The
this.
presentation's gonna look better, trust.
Trust it?
Yeah, I'll show you afterwards, because there's gonna be more to it, though.
There's more to it?
Yeah. No, you know what I did? I got him